providing resources in the network. What does it mean? Network of many sizes. As you can see, if you're sitting at home, small home office network, small home office network as well, which you can see further into them, medium to large size offices, even you can see worldwide offices network. So you can see many companies nowadays, they are globally, they have a global presence, and how they can connect their all the offices so they can share data. Because as we know, what is the benefit of networking and what is a network? So basically, two or more devices are connecting to each other through a physical media so they can share the resources. So basically, the idea of having a network or idea of networking mean share resources. Okay, share resources. And in these kind of things, like now we are working from home, for example, you can see that small offices, small home office network, and then we further converted into multiple desks, for example, and then maybe multiple floors, and then you can see this is a worldwide network nowadays. So internet, for example, is the biggest worldwide network. Facebook, Amazon, eBay, all these companies are connecting through the internet. Okay, and there's, you can see that trillions and millions of billions of pound companies. So basically, what is a client and server? So clients. So what is client and server? Server can be a voice server, server can be a database server, email server, and many other servers which can provide us services to the end client. So for example, here there is an example. These two devices are connecting to one device. As you can see, both devices are connecting to one common device. It may be the same scenario, it may be different. Okay, and they are connecting to voice server in order to, nowadays voice over IP, if you heard this term, actually calling card and all those companies, even you have a mobile like WhatsApp, and all these like act as a voice client. Basically, if you are using WhatsApp or Viber or all those things, basically you are connecting to a server. That server is hosted somewhere in the internet in the world, and all of we are connecting to one service, and we are actually client. Okay, server maybe is a big powerful device. Client may not be a big that powerful. For example, we have all sort of mobile. Then that mobile memory may be 2 megabits, 2 gigabits, to maybe 10 or 12 gigabits. But you can see these servers they are very powerful in terms of resources, because you are not the only one who is connecting. There are millions of people are connecting at the same time. So what is the basic terms here? Client, which gets the services, and server, which provide the services. But similarly, there's a web client as well, like the web pages, like the bbc.com, amazon.com. They are all web services, and the web clients mean they're getting there. Email also as well. We use Hotmail, Gmail every other day, and we're getting our email from there. So what is the concept of peer-to-peer? Mostly peer mean what? What's a peer? If you are in a one class, we say you are peer, means you are all equal. Okay, your level is mostly equal. So peer-to-peer mean if you want to share any networking advantages of peer-to-peer networking mean easily set up. There's no complexity involved. Like two PC, I have my PC and I have Ali PC, and I can going to connect with them via cable. Okay, there is no other medium involved. They might have a small printer as well, which we can share them, and we can get our prints as well. So basically, lower cost since network devices and data card. You don't need any server. Okay, you don't need any dedicated device. So you connect them. So these devices are easily connecting to each other through the networking cable. I have a printer to share. I have a data to share. Okay, can be used simply tasks such as transferring files and sharing printer. Okay, what is the disadvantage? Disadvantages are there is no centralized administration. So administrator who is going to manage this kind of network, he has to go personally on each machine physically and manage it. If this machine has a problem with this network cable, or maybe he cannot connect to the printer, then he need to go physically there. If we have a server, we can manage everything from one physical location or location, and we can manage all these users. Not secure and not stable. Okay, all devices may act both client and server and can slow down their performance because they are resource point of view. They are most likely the same. Okay, unlike server and client communication, server which has more resources, and client may not have more resources in order to process the information. So what is LAN, WAN, and internet? LAN, upon completion of this, so we are going to discuss the LAN